Is it finally the right time to buy an RTX 3060? I hope so, because I did. GPU prices have actually started coming down, and we're nowhere near MSRP. Apologize for the noise, my kids are playing upstairs. I'm trying to shoot a video in the basement real quick while they're playing happily. Anyway, GPU prices have actually been coming down significantly, like hundreds of dollars less than they were, although still hundreds of dollars more than I'd like them to be. But, you know, my YouTube channel is also generating more ad revenue, yay! And I've been getting more channel members. You can hit that join button down there, financially support me each month, little perks and all that. Anyway, the point is, I can buy some more GPUs. I got myself an RTX 3060. And I got the ROG Strix version from Asus, which I believe is usually a pretty nice, cooler design and all that. And we're gonna go ahead, unbox this, install it, maybe fire up a game real quick and see if I got scammed by Newegg, because unfortunately they did have the lowest prices right now, so I did buy it there, despite all of the, you know, controversy. Also curious to maybe compare it physically and then in future videos, you know, benchmark-wise to my RX 6600, which I do think is a not as good card, but the price gap is still there, although the price gap is shrinking. So I'm very interested in exploring in the future whether or not it's worth saving money on the RX 6600, depending on what sort of price gap we get. Hey, let's go ahead and open up my PC. By the way, I don't even have a test bench or anything. I actually do just use my PC over here, swap out my GPUs and all that. Let's go ahead and take the 3080 out, because I've been testing that out, and swap in the 3060. Okay, I'm not really set up well for this kind of video, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do it anyway. Let's get this RTX 3080 out of here. I need a screwdriver. By the way, I absolutely love this case. This is the Fantex P600S, and I thought it was an absolute dream to build in. Everything about it feels premium, and I did notice some really good temperature differences when I came out of my old case, which was admittedly very bad thermals. Built this a while back for my 10,000 subscribers celebration build video, but we're up over 20,000 now, man. The channel's been doing well. Thank you guys so much for all of that. Still just a hobby, but it's a fun one and starting to get to be pretty cool to see the channel grow and all that. So thank you guys. All right, there's the 3080 12 gigabyte I got recently. This is the Gigabyte Eagle, so not the highest end cooler design or anything, but hey, I haven't really had any thermal issues. I haven't played around with overclocking it yet, though. Should probably do that in a future video. Let's go ahead and actually unbox this the 3060. All right, oops, I already slightly tore the box. I failed at my unboxing duties. It's like air suction cupped into the box there. All right, you got the nice Strix logo on the box and all that, and we've got the Asus thingamajig. They don't actually put driver discs these days, do they? I hope not. Okay, no, it's just a manual and things. Who has a disk drive? Now I'm probably gonna get comments. I still have a disk drive. Okay, now what do we have here? All right, we got all the wrappers. Here we go. Got that. Okay. There it is. Ooh, I think we've got a peel. Is it going to be a nice satisfying peel? It's actually a little tricky there. You gotta push back. There. Hey, we've got a P mode and Q mode switch right there. Might have to play around with that at some point. Pro tip, actually take the plastic thing off the PCIe slot when you insert it in the computer. I have forgotten to do that in the past, and I'm like, hey, why did my graphics card not fit? Taking off the little plastic things from the display outputs. There's the outputs. Looks like we've got 2 HDMI outputs. I wonder if they're both 2.1. I don't actually know. And then we got a few display ports. I don't know why they wouldn't both be 2.1, but I'm just saying I don't know. The design of the card looks quite nice. A little bit of plastic. All right, had to run up and help with the kids for a minute, but I am back. Ignore them if they're noisy. They are cleaning up and getting ready for dinner. Ooh, that's a nice peel. Getting all the plasticky bits off of here. Card really does feel nice. The back plate certainly feels like metal. That is not a plastic back plate. Looks like we have a single 8-pin power connector. Did I get all the plasticky bits? Is there? Oh, there's going to be plastic on the little fan deals, isn't there? All right. Fans have a nice spin to them. All right. Get the plastic off here. Oh. It's not a satisfying peel. There we go. Now I got it. Come on. There we go. Can we get this one? There it is. And one more. Hard to get the edge of it. There's that. Looks like there's a little bit on this Game On. I think. Yes, there we go. And I think that's it. That all looks good. Oh, wait. Plastic on the... right there. Hey, I almost didn't take off the little plasticky bit. There we go. All right. Snap that in there. Get the power connector. Let's see, P mode is performance mode, yes. I want to make sure that's switched over to performance mode, I think. And we will screw it in. And then hope it boots and that I didn't get scammed by Newegg. I'm not advertising buying at Newegg necessarily, but they are seeming to have the best deals on graphics cards right now. Although now that they've been having the better prices for a while, I have started to see a few other places get some better pricing as well. Hopefully everything heads down and keeps heading down. We shall see. All right, let me get the case cover back on. This PC case, the cover comes off. It's on these nice little pins. Slides on. It's magnetic. I like it. All right, let's fire up the PC. This isn't really an RGB build overall, but lots of RGB on that card. All right, lately I've been playing Elden Ring, so let's go ahead and fire that up. Can I get a shot where you can see the performance numbers there? Well, the graphics card is definitely working. Now, running the game at maxed out 4K because I was playing it on my 6800 XT. and benchmarking on my 3080, but wait, we got a black screen? Okay. Seems like it was just kicking on HDR properly. Well, maxed out at 4K, we're not holding 60 FPS, but certainly is playable, especially at variable refresh rate. Although I'm not really out in the open world here, it probably would dip a bit. But we can at least confirm the GPU seems to be operating properly. It's 48 degrees, going down to 47. The cooling seems fine. Yeah, everything seems to be checking out here, so I'm going to go ahead and run some benchmarks and get you guys some future content trying out some more, how does it do in a bunch of games? How does it do with ray tracing, DLSS? How does it compare to the RX 6600? What kind of upgrade would it be from a 1060? How much more I think it might be worth to pay compared to a 6600. So we'll do lots of stuff coming up in the future. And I hope all of you have an excellent day.